Hello everyone! I'm Roan Celis Capistrano of 1 Million Club. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi kang updated.
With savings, a person can walk tall. Yan. So sabi, the state of your savings does have a lot to do with how tall you walk. Your savings affect the way you stand, the way you walk, the tone of your voice, your physical well-being, and your self-confidence. Ayan. So, nakakaganda pala no, pag meron kang savings. And nakakatanda naman kapag meron kang utang. Tama ba? A person without savings, eto na, is always running. He or she must. He must take the first job offered or nearly so. He sits nervously on life's chairs because any small emergency throws him into the hands of others. Grabe, no? Yung pagka may utang ka kasi, 'di ba? Dami mong iniiwasan na. Tama ba? Tapos takot na takot ka mawalan ng trabaho kasi negative nga 'di ba? So, yan talaga no, opposite po yung effect pag may ipon versus sa walang ipon. A person with savings can afford to resign from his job if his principles so dictate. And for this reason, he will never need to do so. A person who can afford to quit is much more useful to his company and therefore more readily promoted. He can afford to give his company the benefit of his most and candid judgments. So kapag may savings ka, nakakapag-focus ka sa trabaho mo at mas lalo ka na po-promote. No? Meron akong tao dati nung manager ako, sa IT siya. So, kaya pala lagi siyang wala, late. Nung tinanong ko siya ng one-on-one, may utang pala siya. So, wala na rin siyang pamasahe papunta ng office. So, yun po yung nagagawa pag wala talaga tayong savings. At ang worst case, nagkautang pa tayo. So, opposite po, no? So, syempre, pagka lagi kang late, absent, mas marami kang deduction, pwede ka pang matanggal sa trabaho. No? So, nagkakaroon siya ng effect no, sa ating activities. A person with savings can afford the wonderful privilege of being generous in family and neighborhood emergencies. He can take the level stare of any man, friend, stranger, or enemy. That ability shapes his personality and his character. No? So, ang ganda, no? Pag may savings ka, dahil sobra-sobra na yung blessings mo, nagiging generous ka pa sa iba. Tama ba? So, maganda po talaga yung effect ng savings natin. So, again, pakitype po natin dyan, may peace of mind tayo. No? Kapag tayo ay may savings, mabata tayo, di ba? Nakasmile tayo lagi, di ba? Alam nyo, pagka wala kang pera, pag may nalaglag sa yung 2 piso, hahanapin mo pa yun. As in, talagang stress na stress ka sa paghahanap pa lang. No? Pero pag may pera ka, alam mo, kahit malaglag yung barya mo, hindi mo napapansinin yan kung hindi mo makita agad sa paa mo. Tama ba? So, yan po yung nagagawa ng IMG sa atin. Yung transformation talaga sa ating financial life.